I noticed that this makes like a buzzing sound, and I actually noticed this sound ever since I got it. And so, basically, what this does is like it just makes this buzzing sound. It seems like almost all of the YF80As and 60As I have make that buzzing sound. Like it makes like some sort of buzzing sound or something. So that doesn't seem to like happen with like the older YF80s and the YF60s, like 2017 and older. Like this uses a 2018 YF80A with, or like yeah, it uses the 80A. There's also the 60A, which some inflatables have, and that also makes a sound like similar to like a buzzing. You can hear the buzzing like alongside the normal fan noises. And this also makes like a squeaking or like a whistling. And also, for some reason, it like is a little jumpy. I don't know if you can see it, but it moves very slightly sometimes. And so, I don't know, like, it's kind of interesting how the fan, I kind of like the noise of the fan for some reason. It sounds cool for some reason, but like, I've watched some videos about, like, there's another version of this sign, like it has like, it's like a recolor, pretty much exactly the same like design, but like it's just different colors and different wording. Like it's tricks and treats, as was a year before at Walmart. And the parent, I watched a few videos about that one, and that also had the same noise. So I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if that is like, I'm not sure what to do. Like, I don't think it's bad, but yeah, just something to be aware about. So yeah, bye.